Hey everyone, it's Casey Neistat here. Well, sort of. Today we're diving into the top 15 essential apps every traveler needs. Your phone can be your lifeline or a useless brick. It's all about what you put on it. These apps will make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Less stress, more adventure. More doing, less worrying. So, buckle up, charge your phone, and make some space on your home screen. Let's get started. Time is ticking, adventures are waiting. Alright, first up, it's Google Maps. It's for walking, public transport, even biking. The real-time traffic updates are a lifesaver. Offline maps are a game changer. It's more than just a map, it's a crucial part of your travel toolkit. Next, let's talk accommodation. Airbnb offers unique places from city apartments to remote spots. It's about experiencing a place, not just visiting it. Airbnb experiences are a game changer. It's about finding a temporary home, not just a room. Now you've got a dozen confirmation emails floating around your inbox. TripIt creates a master itinerary for you. All your plans neatly organized in one place. You can access it all offline. It just takes so much stress out of the logistics. Ever stood in a shop in a foreign country trying to figure out if that cool souvenir is a bargain? XE Currency gives you live exchange rates. It works offline, storing the last updated rates. It's a lifesaver for budgeting. It's a small app that makes a big difference to your wallet. Knowing a few basic phrases in the local language can go a long way. Duolingo makes learning a new language feel like a game. It's fun, interactive, and you can do it in short bursts. Even a few minutes a day can make a difference. Locals appreciate it when you try. Finding affordable flights can feel like a full-time job. Skyscanner scans millions of flights to find you the best deals. You can compare prices easily and set up price alerts. The Everywhere search is great for flexible travelers. More money saved on flights means more money for experiences. How do you get from one city to another? Rome to Rio shows you all possible ways to get there. It breaks down each option, telling you the estimated travel time and cost. It's incredibly comprehensive. It turns complex travel planning into a much simpler task. Packing can be stressful. PackPoint generates a customized packing list for you. It's based on your destination, activities, and weather forecast. You can check things off as you pack them. It helps you pack smarter, not harder. For real-time translation, Google Translate is a must. The conversation mode allows two people to speak in different languages. The camera translation feature is incredibly useful. You can download language packs for offline use. It's a must-have for breaking down communication barriers. Getting around in a new city can be a challenge. Ride-sharing apps like Uber have changed the game. You see the estimated fare up front and track your driver's arrival. Availability varies, so check which apps are popular at your destination. It's an incredibly useful tool to have in your digital arsenal. Airport layovers can be long and uncomfortable. LoungeBuddy helps you find airport lounges you can access. You can browse lounges, see photos, and check amenities. Investing in a lounge pass can be worth it for the comfort. It turns dreaded waiting time into a more relaxed experience. Traveling can make it easy to blow through your budget. Trail Wallet is a travel expense tracker. You quickly add your expenses and categorize them. It supports multiple currencies and converts everything back to your home currency. It's about being smart and making your travel fund last longer. Finding free Wi-Fi when you're traveling is often a top priority. Wi-Fi Map helps you locate free Wi-Fi hotspots worldwide. Users share Wi-Fi spots they've found along with passwords if needed. The app has an offline mode too. It can lead you to that sweet free internet. If you're vegan or vegetarian, finding food when you travel can be a mission. Happy Cow is a directory of vegan, vegetarian, and veg-friendly restaurants. It helps you find places where you can enjoy a full meal. You can search by location, browse listings, and read reviews. It takes the stress out of finding food. Knowing the weather in detail can make a big difference. Weather Pro gives you comprehensive and accurate forecasts. It provides hourly breakdowns, rain radar, and severe weather alerts. It's about being prepared so you can make the most of your time. Don't get caught out. And there you have it, folks. Those are the 15 essential apps every traveler should have on their phone. These tools can genuinely transform your travel experience. Make sure to download them before your next trip. The real magic happens when you put the phone down and engage with the world around you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Trip Tricks for more travel tips and adventures. Let them know what apps can't live without. Safe travels, everyone!